Hey! So tonight we are tasting 3 hot sauces. The only hot sauce I know is Tabasco sauce. So I have not had any of these hot sauces before. How about you?
Well, I think I've tasted this before, but this one's been in the cabinet for a while and she would not let me try it because of this video. I really want to try this one. This could get interesting.
Round 1! Grab your fork.
Got my fork.
Alright, so I think we should start from here, here, and here.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, you're brave. You just dumped her right on in there. Alright. As I did the same. I don't feel no heat.
Even for me, it's kind of little.
Had good flavor though. It just
No,
wasn't.
flavor's good. Next, I want to taste sriracha sauce.
Oh, you put a bunch on there, didn't you?
Oh boy.
There you go.
Okay.
It had a lot of different flavor than that one.
Oh, I like this one. It's spicy. It's burning. I like this way better than this one.
It's very tasty. I don't have no sweat on my forehead or nothing yet, so we're still on the good low heat, good tasting stuff.
Okay, I do have sweat on my forehead and my face, and my mouth is burning. But I am liking it.
Good flavor.
Good flavor. Yes.
Got more of a vinegary punch to it there. I gotta say, so far, my favorite is this one. This ranch.
Mine too.
That tastes pretty good on the chicken. Still don't get hardly no heat off this.
Very, very little heat.
Oh, you gave me the big piece, didn't you? Well, I bet this goes great with chicken.
It might.
Is it warming yet?
Yes. It's so good.
Very tasty. That wasn't too bad on chicken.
I feel the burn. But again, I gotta say, this was my favorite.
Mine too so far. Yeah.
Can't really dip this one, so I'm just gonna pour it.
Awesome. Nice crunchy pizza. I do like the flavor. That's pretty good on pizza too. Yeah.
Oh my god. That sauce is amazing.
You feeling some heat?
Mm.
Just a little on this one.
That was hot.
Just a little.
My mouth is burning.
What?
It's burning, baby.
Well, as far as heat, which ones you think are hot?
This one was not hot. These two were hot, but this one was more vinegary, and I feel that this one had all the flavors. That's how I feel. How about you?
Well, I think this one was a little warm. Then went to Frank's, and then this one here didn't hardly have none in it.
Yeah.
But for flavor, it went from this one to this one, and then Frank's was last.
Oh, yeah. Yes, I would say the same.
Yeah.
This one, and this one.
This flavor, yeah.
Round 2!
Alright, I got my fork. instead of ketchup. That's not bad. I'm easy.
It's not bad.
If I didn't have ketchup in the house, I'd just...
Well, yes.
Yeah. Oh, now you really dipped her in there, didn't you? Look at that. Oh, I did the same thing. Get out of there. Oh, now I got some good stuff. All right, you ready?
Uh-huh.
I'm still blown away by the flavor. A little warmer on the French fries.
It's spicy, but it's so good.
It's got a little bit of heat.
It's plenty spicy for me.
I want to make sure it's covered. All right.
Wow.
Yeah. Go back to the sriracha. I do like this because I get to taste some little bit of spicy stuff and some interesting choices here we have. I see pickles. Pickles on the plate. All right, let's go. Strangely, that tastes pretty good.
Oh my God, that's so good. I would dip my pickle on that sauce any day.
Yeah, that was strangely kind of good.
That was great.
That was...
Ready?
Well, I am, because this tasted that good on that pickle. That one I don't know about, but the sriracha I'm kind of interested to see. I smell garlic, so that would work good in the pickle. So, okay. Oh, you're going for that one. Well, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
But I think in this one was pretty good on the pickle.
Woo.
I'm ready to go.
Okay.
Alright. They kind of tamed it down a little bit.
I think that was not that bad.
As far as flavor on the pickle, I think it goes just 1, 2, 3, just like it's sitting here.
I am thinking the same.
I was pretty pleased with this on the pickle.
This was so good with the pickle.
Okay. I'm growing fonder. They don't have that much heat, but to take the flavors.
The flavor, it was just alright for me.
Ooh, that's a little thicker. Yeah.
It's thicker.
Keepies.
Oh my God. Yum.
That's pretty tasty stuff.
That was good.
I don't think it worked that well with the macaroni and cheese.
No, 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 no.
You was breathing like that was heat. Was that too hot?
It's the vinegar attack. This, and this.
Yeah.
Yes. Round 3! Are you ready for round 3?
See, now this is the interesting thing. All because somebody said they put this shit on everything, I gotta go through a dessert round. Here we go. There's so much sugar, I still thought it tasted good.
I didn't like that. You ready for next one?
So it's gonna get much better from here. Donut and sriracha. That one didn't work.
I thought it worked better than that one.
No, I was happy with this.
You were? Still hot. Ooh.
On a donut.
Yeah.
And that worked for you.
I didn't like it. No, that's not good.
Me neither.
Okay, so a donut round. What do you think?
Well, honestly, this one here didn't taste too bad. The sugar kind of canceled him out. But these had so much flavor that there wasn't no hope. I couldn't do them.
I like this one better, the best. I like this one the least. Again, you ready for some lava cake?
I was until we was putting it on some hot sauce. Oh, is it gonna break apart? Oh yeah, soak that good stuff up. I done the same freaking thing. Now it's really gonna soak it up. I think this is gonna be the dessert one.
Oh. I like this one better.
Not a dessert round for me.
Well,
Oh, that vinegar. We gotta chew it up. We gotta chew it up and eat it. The vinegar wasn't working well with the sugar.
I have never tasted American rice pudding. Have you?
I don't think so. Until tonight with hot sauce on. There you go.
Okay.
Actually, I wasn't too bad.
Rice pudding is great. With the hot sauce, no.
Once again, it wasn't too bad, but too much garlic.
I like that one.
Last one. French hot sauce on rice pudding.
Okay. That's plenty.
There you go.
Okay. Oh. Yeah.
It don't work. That didn't taste too bad.
This was the best.
Had a lot of different flavors tonight.
There was a lot of flavors. So overall, what hot sauce was your favorite?
Well, I'm thinking that was the best. That was the spiciest one and flavorful one. And then I'm going to this chipotle hot sauce, which was not hot, but the flavor was there. Then we'll put Frank's at the bottom for me.
Number 1, number 2, and number 3.
Yeah.
I don't think I would put this shit on everything. Well, that was hot. Now I know much more about hot sauces. And I think so far my favorite is this sriracha sauce. So I hope you like our hot sauce video and give us thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Bye.